So just a quick autocross update for you guys. Right behind me are these Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires. These are the ones that I had on my Camaro during my last autocross event. I went ahead and swapped them out for a brand new set of Goodyear Supercar 3 tires, and boy, what a difference did that make. Those tires hook and grip like nothing before. So now with those Goodyears, I'm spinning first a little bit, but nowhere near as much as I used to. And second gear rolls are no problem whatsoever. Hooks from 50, 60, whatever it is in second gear, it's hooking. So I'm really happy with the Goodyear tires. So I'm really looking forward to see what I can do in the qualifier. So here are the tires on the car. So about 5 miles of wear just for my test drive. And even though they're brand new and still need some breaking in to do, they grip like crazy. Let's take a closer look. Super aggressive shoulders. And we're going from a 300 tread wear to a 220 tread wear. And my autocross class is a limit of 220. So this is the best tire I can get for the class that I'm in. And I'm really hoping I can find some success. So I'm still running the Michelin Pilot Super Sport in the front, but they are brand new tires. And I don't know if I really want to swap them out for the Goodyears. I will say that I did notice that the rear end had more grip than the front. And I guess that's because I'm putting a grippier tire in the rear. Definitely feel the sloppiness in the front and the more agileness in the rear. Not to say that these Michelin Pilot Super Sports are not sticky tire, because they are very sticky and they work really well. But compared to that Supercar 3 tire, nowhere near as much grip.